Imagine waking up each morning and seeing new client messages waiting for you, new payments from monthly retainers, new leads automatically generated by workflows that run even while you sleep. This is the reality of building an AI lead generation agency that works almost entirely on autopilot. The idea is simple. Businesses need customers every day, and most of them have no reliable system for finding them. They post a few times on social media. They run ads that burn money. They cold call randomly. They have no structure and no consistency. They know they are leaving thousands of dollars on the table. When you step in and offer a predictable, automated, and fast system for generating warm leads, you instantly become valuable. And thanks to modern AI tools, you can deliver this service without building a team or spending hours manually researching contacts. You can do it using automation that compiles data, writes messages, segments audiences, and sends outreach in a way that feels human and personal. The first step is always choosing a niche, because broad markets lead to general results, but specific markets let you create laser-targeted systems that convert on autopilot. Think of industries where the lack of predictable customer flow is painful. Real estate agents, small marketing agencies, fitness coaches, local service providers, accountants, consultants, and online educators are all examples of markets that constantly look for more clients. When you lock onto one group, your AI workflows become easy to optimize because you recycle the same templates, the same data sources, and the same messaging formulas. This is how you reduce the time spent to the absolute minimum. One workflow becomes a system. One system becomes a productized service, and that service becomes monthly passive income. Once a niche is chosen, the next step is setting up an automated data engine. You use AI to scrape publicly available business information, collect emails, analyze websites, and identify companies that clearly need help. Tools exist that let you input an industry and location and receive a list of hundreds of potential clients. Then you let AI filter the list by relevance activity, recent reviews missing marketing assets, or outdated landing pages. The result is a clean, ready-to-use pipeline of prospects updated daily. This is the foundation that makes the whole agency passive. Instead of manual research, AI delivers a non-stop stream of opportunities. Then comes automated outreach. AI platforms can create personalized messages based on each prospect's website, social media descriptions, customer reviews, and public content. The writing feels natural, respectful, and specific, which is exactly why it works. You don't send generic spam. You send messages that look handwritten. You can schedule daily batches that go out without your involvement. Each message highlights one problem and one solution you offer. And since the system repeats itself every 24 hours, your calendar slowly fills with discovery calls while you are doing something else entirely. Delivery is even easier. When a business signs up for your service, your core product is simple. You provide them with a predictable number of warm, qualified leads each month, and your AI tools continue to collect contacts, evaluate patterns, and send personalized outreach, but now only for that client. You monitor results, adjust messaging, and provide monthly reports. Most tasks take minutes. Your role becomes quality control instead of execution. This is how the income becomes mostly passive. You spend one-time effort building the workflows, then let them run indefinitely. The beauty of this model is scalability. When the entire system is digital, you can onboard unlimited clients without increasing your workload. Each niche can have its own workflow template duplicated instantly. Each outreach sequence can be personalized using new AI context. And each monthly report can be generated automatically with charts and insights that look professional. This lets even beginners appear like an established agency. The automation handles the heavy lifting. You just maintain the direction. The secret is positioning. Clients don't buy messages. They buy predictability. They buy time saved. They buy results delivered without stress. So your offer focuses on outcomes like delivering a fixed number of warm leads per month or creating a custom AI-powered outreach engine for their business. You price monthly retainers because businesses prefer consistency. And when they see results after week 1, they stay for months or even years. This is where the passive income grows steadily. Promotion begins with simple channels: a short portfolio video, a before and after case study, a clear explanation of how AI can help them. You only need a handful of clients to reach $5,000 per month. Most agencies charge between $500 and $1,500 per client. With automated delivery, you can serve 5 to 10 clients with less than 2 hours of work per week. The biggest shift happens when you realize that the value is not the AI tool, but the system you build around it. Anyone can run a workflow, but not everyone can combine data messaging, timing, and delivery into something seamless. When you do that, you become a trusted partner, not a freelancer. As your agency grows, the operations become smoother. Client onboarding becomes automated. Messaging templates evolve. Lead quality improves. And eventually, the business runs with minimal oversight. That is when it truly becomes passive. The income arrives every month because your systems do what you built them to do. And the best part is that you can start without money, without experience, and without complex technical skills. You only need the willingness to set up a few workflows, test a few messages, and offer businesses something they desperately need. Now imagine yourself 6 months from now waking up to a dashboard showing new appointments booked overnight, clients thanking you for sending leads, payments arriving automatically. That is the power of an AI lead generation agency built the smart way. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe because this is just the beginning of what you can build in 2025.